Hey, how you doing today, Savonsters? I got bad news. My cat's gone. My mom opened the door, and she's a little kitten. She sneaks out, and I don't know, she knows her way back home. So today's vlog is just going to be looking for my cat. But I put her kitty litter outside because cats can smell her kitty litter from 5 miles away, so that might help. She let her out at about 4 or 5 in the morning. So right now I'm going to the people to see if they saw her. That helped me find this cat. It was in one of these creeks. One of them. So we have a lot of traffic on this morning. It's usually not. It's not usually a lot at my house. But it just sucks because we had to get rid of one of my cats because we didn't have the money to take care of her. Now the other one's gone. So this ain't good. And if any of you watching this vlog sees a little tiny kitten that looks like a Maine Coon, tell me. And call Umi, and she comes to you, that's her. And, well, actually I can't say my address or type in my phone number, so never mind. Oh, this sucks. She woke me up at like 6 saying she can't find her. I'm like dead right now because I feel sick. Both of my cats are gone. This just sucks. Let's just hope that I can find my cat today, and it'll all be good. I walk down this road all the time, so I kind of live in a ghost town. Not a lot of people. I got druggies that just live right next to me. Alright, they're home. Hopefully they're awake. In case if they saw me. Took down their shed. For some reason. They do have a sign, 2 signs that says no trespassing, but I know these people, so I'm not necessarily trespassing because I know them. So, yeah, I won't be talking to you guys for a sec, so I'll be talking to them. They're not? No. Alright. Thanks. Well, they're not home. So This sucks. They were one of my best chances to find my cat. I thought she might come down this way because this is near where I found her. So, like I said, we put the kitty litter outside. My mom said cats can smell kitty litter from 5 miles away. So, yeah, I don't know where she is right now. And like I said, I feel like crap. So, oh yeah, and remember to like and subscribe to Donahue Vlogs, and like and just subscribe to Logan Paul Vlogs and Sprawl. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, then what you doing? Subscribe. It just completely sucks. I'm heading home right now. Hopefully she's home. But I don't know. Maybe we just didn't see her in the house. Hope she's not gone though. Because if she's gone, that'll suck. Very, very bad. I just hope she didn't get killed, hit by a car, ate by a dog, coyote. That would suck. She doesn't usually like to meow a lot, so I bet I won't hear her meowing. That's all I gotta say. Oh yeah, and subscribe to the Why Don't We Boys. Really hope I can find her today. In my next video I'll tell you if I found her or not. Well, that is going to be the vlog today. I will see you guys later, monsters. Remember to like and subscribe. Alright, peace.